Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a croissant. Let's start off by drawing a rounded trapezoid shape like so, with the top left corner pinching to a point for the top layer of the croissant. From that point, draw a larger similar shape underneath for the second layer. Underneath that, draw a slightly triangulated oval shape over here, and another one over here for the tips of the croissant. At the point of the second layer, start drawing a similar rounded trapezoid shape again, stopping at the oval. Then, add a short line here between the oval and the second layer. Repeat the same steps on the right side to complete the third layer. Then, finish off the croissant shape with two curves on either side, connecting to the tips of the croissant. To add some more texture, draw some very thin lines along the edges of each layer. And now you've got a croissant.